Habari, mambo vipi? My name is Abdul and welcome back to my Speak Swahili YouTube channel. And today we are going to shed some light on the present perfect, as I've said in the last episode. So stay put. And in this present perfect, here we have two things to consider when we use the tense me, and that is there is a state and there is action. I've put some formula here, which is not mathematics, but in a state we use be plus participle, and when using action we use have plus participle. I'm gonna show you some few examples. Kiti kimevunjika. A chair is broken. Kiti kimevunjika. A chair is broken. Kiti is chair. Me, as we've seen. Broken, it's vunjika. Mwalimu amechelewa. Mwalimu amechelewa. Teacher is late. Teacher is late. Chelewa is late. Ame, is he. Mwalimu amechelewa. But when in action we have plus participle, and wameondoka. Wameondoka. They have left. Wameondoka. They have left. Ondoka, left. Ndizi, ndizi zimeanguka. Banana have fallen. Ndizi zimeanguka. Nimesoma Kiswahili. Nimesoma Kiswahili. I have studied Kiswahili. Nimesoma Kiswahili. I have studied Kiswahili. And apart from me, we have mesha. Yeah, just add that. We have mesha, which is already have. Mesha is already have. So here me, and here's mesha. Ameenda is she has gone. Amesha enda is she has already gone. So when you see these, the only difference is this one, which is represented by this one. Ameenda, she has gone. Ameshaenda, she has already gone. And apart from me, we have something else here, which is who. We have who. Who here is habitual tense. Habitual tense. Something that you do on a regular basis. If you want to express something that you do on a regular basis, you use this who here. And these are some of the examples. Don't worry, you're going to see them right here. Okay, mimi huoga kila siku. Mimi huoga kila siku. I shower kila usiku. Oh my God. I shower every night. Every night. Mimi huoga kila usiku. Mimi huoga kila usiku. I shower every night. Mimi hupiga mswaki kila asubuhi. I brush my teeth every morning. Mimi hupiga mswaki kila asubuhi. I brush my teeth every morning. Wanafunzi husoma Kiswahili kila siku. Wanafunzi husoma Kiswahili kila siku. Students study Kiswahili every day. Students study Kiswahili every day. Yeye huimba kila saa. Yeye huimba kila saa. She sings every hour. She sings every hour. Yeye huimba kila saa. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed, as usual, our lesson for today, present perfect, and the habitual who, and our bonus here, measure, which is coming from here, just an extra step, me to measure, and then we have the habitual tense. And that is the end of our tense lesson from the last episode to this episode. 2 episodes, tense lessons. I hope you understand. The only thing that you have to consider and do is practice, practice, practice. And if you have any questions, do comment down below and I'll be happy to answer any of your questions. And don't forget to subscribe and click that ring button to get more of these lessons. Until next time, hadi hapo baadaye. Tulia, baki salama, fanya mazoezi, soma Kiswahili, and then tutaonana in the next episode. Kwaheri.